welcome to our $2.4 million house tour in Pietrasanta, Forte Dei Marmi, and a dog. Look at how cute. Aww. Ciao.
Fantastico.
Hi. Oh my God, he's so cute with that bone in his mouth. Oh my God, so cute. Okay, we're distracted. Federico and I are distracted. So I like to come to Forte Dei Marmi. Pietrasanta is one of my favorite towns. It's a very artistic town. It is near Carrara, so there are a lot of marble sculptors here. If you have a Carrara marble countertop, it comes from right here. Forte Dei Marmi is about 10 minutes from here. They like to call this the Hamptons of Italy. For those of you that love golf, that love the seaside, that love yachting, boating, sailing, this is the perfect place for you. It is a beautiful house. It has an amazing entrance. It feels very private. It feels very quiet. And it has my favorite, it's got these sea palms that line the driveway.
Parco bellissimo.
And it's like a park. Yeah, I mean,
Fantastic.
That's correct, it is. You know, we don't know this about Federico, but he was a park ranger when he was in his teens. So, yeah, so let's go look.
Andiamo a vedere.
Okay, let's go,
casa.
Federico. Interesting entry. I think we went in the wrong door, but just come on. Really nice big kitchen, quite pretty. Actually really love this situation. It's really a nicely appointed kitchen, beautiful. It's very big, which is really nice. And then you've got the terrace outside and double doors, a lot of light. And Federico is wildly opening things. He loves light. You love light.
A me piace la luce.
Yeah, lo so.
Bellissimo.
Lo so, yeah, he likes light. Every time we go into a house, he's like turning on all the lights and opening all the windows.
E qui ce n'è tanta di luce.
Yeah. He's very into it. But yeah, this is quite beautiful. Really pretty. Quanti anni questa casa?
Allora, la casa è stata costruita, diciamo, a metà degli anni 70.
So it's like 40 years?
Sì.
Yeah, it's like a 40-year-old house, which it puts it in a good-ish space for his like early 80s, which is better than later 80s. Show us around. Go, Federico. You are the head leader. There's actually two entrances here. One that's sort of the back entrance, which they have an amazing backyard that I'm going to show you. It's just absolutely gorgeous. So there's two terraces. There's a back terrace and a front terrace, which is quite nice. The only thing I am going to say about this is it is a little bit chopped up. For me, personally, I would probably pull one of these walls out. It seems like unnecessary to have these. It should just flow all the way through. But the good news is that this can be a very open floor plan. And then there's a half bath, but it looks like it has a shower too. It's very pretty. Everything's very kind of neutral. So the first floor, is it split?
Sì, diversi livelli sono.
Yeah,
la casa. Andiamo di sopra. Ora andiamo di sopra.
So we're gonna go up, but what about over there?
Sì.
Okay, so it looks like...
reapproach the house from a different...
Abbiamo un altro ingresso.
No,
Prego.
I want it to be this confusing.
No, Annette.
Oh, so it's two houses together?
Sì.
Due
Yes.
case insieme.
Esatto. Adesso sono separate,
okay.
ma
so
si
as
possono...
per usual, zero communication.
Yeah.
These are two different houses. We're gonna look at two different parts of the house. That's why I was confused, because there's this wall, you walk in and there's this wall. And the reason is because it's two separate houses. Okay, we got it. So, do over, not one big house, two houses. Bear with me here. This is a challenging tour. This is a guest room.
Sì, living room.
Okay. And there's a closet here. So some of the configurations may not make sense, but this is a great guest room. It's got a great closet. It's got an amazing view. So just keep that in mind. Stay with me. Yeah, this is a great bedroom. This is like bedroom. There's a wonderful bathroom here. It's very pretty. Oh, wow. So there's 3 rooms here. It's quite separate, quite nice actually for guests. This is really excellent. Master?
Sì, questo è
Okay.
il più grande.
So this is the master bedroom, then there are 2 smaller rooms on either side, a bathroom, and then that can be like a sitting room or another bedroom, certainly. So these are 2 houses side by side, just so I thought it was one big house, and that's, as did Michael. So now we're gonna go through the main entrance. When you go on these house tours, the owner will come, and then it's harder to really walk through and tell people what you really think. And I really think this probably needs to be priced lower. Having said that, it's beautiful grounds, great pool, nice location, pretty house. It just needs to be updated and probably reconfigured, which costs some money, putting different walls in and breaking through walls and changing entrances and things. Hire an architect and I would redo this house. And if you have $2 million to spend, it's worth it for the location. The location is incredible because it really is close to very cool places, and you'll get your money out of it because the resale here is great. I mean, this is an in-demand area. So that's my thoughts about this without the owner standing right next to me. We're entering the building on the other side through the back of the building. I think it would almost behoove us to have like a little map.
Wow. Allora, questa praticamente era già una porta, che andiamo nella parte di là.
Oh, wow. Okay, okay. So there's a doorway here through that other hallway that you just can knock out if you'd
Connessione.
like. We're not going to do that. We're just going to take everything down. Okay. All right. Kitchen,
Salone.
the salone. Oh, all right. So this is the other entrance that Michael wanted to come through. Michael, here's the main entrance.
Yeah, this would have helped.
You're lying. This would not have helped. All right, so then we have a bedroom here and sort of a little holding room area. And then there's a shower here and another bedroom there. So then there's a staircase.
Bagno.
There's a bathroom down here as well. This could actually be like a cabana area for your guests. I mean, for me, I would probably do some sort of outdoor kitchen situation here. And then this is a very nice pool area, really nice, solid cabana, which is so nice in the summertime here.
Qui mangiare.
Yes, lovely pool area.
Con la doccia.
Yeah, outdoor shower. I mean, obviously it's winter time, so there would be loungers out here. The reason I'm saying that maybe there's no outdoor kitchen here, which most Americans really like an outdoor kitchen. Maybe open that up and make a kitchen in there because you have enough room. I'm already redesigning this. So yeah, this is really, really pretty. Very private, pretty little house next door. Amazing view of the mountains here. So when you're sitting out, you can look at the beautiful view. The view is really pretty,
Gli
yeah.
Alpi Apuane.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Meraviglioso.
Yeah. Okay, and then the outdoor kitchen is here. So they have like an oven and a grill area, which is great. Right here. I think this is a very weird spot for this. I think it should be over that way, but that's just me. But the good news is it's cool, and it really actually you could just move it. That's what I would do.
Forno bello.
Yeah, he loves an oven, this guy. Me too. I'm with him. I love a pizza oven. I love a pizza oven.
Mi viene già fame.
All right, so this is what's cool. So 2 outbuildings. You know, I'm a sucker for an outbuilding. And then there's what they call a prato, which is like a big green area. Federico had a really good suggestion. He was like, oh, this could be like a golf, like one of those putter golf, things. Golf range. It could be a golf range. You could have a golf range. Wouldn't that be a good golf range? Or you could put a tennis court in if you wanted. Great place to put a tennis court if you're a tennis person. And this is a great place to play tennis. So it's very, as I said, it's very much like the Hamptons of Tuscany. So it's got that vibe, and you're really near the Riviera. I mean, I love like the seaside. So This is a very, very cool location. This could be, it certainly could be a gym, but you could also turn it into like a really groovy like bar or, you know, I mean, it's just it's a cool space. If you're running an events business, it would be a cool space. Come on.
Fantastico.
Yeah.
Erba.
I mean, you could put like a
Meraviglioso.
restaurant in here. So, and these are really fun photos of him dancing, which is really fun. And then this is the dance studio. Isn't this fun? It's so cute. Cool, right?
You like a guest house or something?
Yeah, a guest house would be cool, I think, for sure. It's big, it's lots of property. Right? That's cool. I mean, there's so much storage here. And dog, there's a dog. Hi. Okay, crazy. Oh, this is storage, but it's a greenhouse. I mean, you could grow your own flowers for your events. And then there's this cuckoo dog. Okay, buddy. Vai, 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 I'm
Ho il
following
prato
you.
come forse più bello di là.
Segui tu. Go, go, go. All right, so here's the skinny on when I'm looking at a house with the owner there. It's really hard for me to be, you know, totally straightforward, totally honest about what I really think about the house. So all the pros. So this is an amazing part of Italy, the Hamptons of Tuscany. The price point on this house, I feel, is fine. For me, if you're willing to spend a few $1,000,000 on a house that's on the seaside, that is in a plum location, then spending, you know, another $1,000,000 to renovate it is probably not a problem. The property itself is gorgeous. The entrance is beautiful. Now we're on to the cons. The issue with the house is that it was built in the early 80s. Then they split the house in half, which I didn't even realize. So part of the house was for his parents, and part of the house is for his family. If you're this person and you want to move your family in one side and you want to live in the other, it's probably perfect for you. But most Americans want to live in an open floor plan. They want a big modern kitchen, but it can be revamped to be custom for you. Architecturally, I like the house. I think it's really beautiful. It can be updated quite easily. I think the inside is more of an issue where it's going to have to be torn apart and revamped. I would do a whole new floor plan on the inside, a beautiful big kitchen, wonderful, beautiful bedrooms with ensuite bathrooms, a really beautiful living area, maybe open up the back more so that you can see the beautiful vista there. The bottom line with this property is it is beautiful, it's in an incredible location, and it is worthwhile. So it is worth buying. So if this is what you're looking for, I think it's a great value. Okay, guys, well, if you've made it this far, thank you very much. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this house tour. Thank you, Federico, as per usual. Always does a great job. Federico, his link is below, so just click on that. Just to make this clear, he's a sales guy. I just like to tour real estate. See you next time. Thank you, and I definitely give this 4 thumbs up. Grazie mille, and peace. So I love the Forte Dei Marmi house. I think it's a great value, but I wanted to hop on my computer and just look through some real estate sites and see what the valuation is in that area and see, you know, if it's a good value. I think it is. Let's take a look. This one that looks like the house we looked at today's, but updated is 3.1 million. So this is a good site for this. This one has no pricing, and this one's teeny tiny for 2 million. I think it's always good to look and see what is this is tiny, what is available. So the one that we saw for 2.4 million, honestly, has a pool. Gee, you could throw a couple million probably into it and have this gorgeous house here. Let's look at this. That's it. One picture.